Hello, friends, and welcome back to another video. Today it's a few days after Diwali, and we are going to spend the day packing up all the Diwali decor, doing our daily chores, and packing for an exciting weekend getaway. I hope you're doing well and keep on watching. I've started looking at daily chores differently these days. Laundry, dishes, cleaning the home, it's a never ending task. But these days I try to slow down instead of rushing through them. I try to notice the quiet rhythm in every small task. It's almost like meditation when my hands are busy and my thoughts are free. Even doing the dishes, the sound of warm water, the sparkle of clean plates, it feels almost meditative. It's the kind of stillness that helps my thoughts settle too. Because when the home feels calm and clean, my mind feels lighter too. And this is the part I look forward to while I'm cleaning. Lighting a scented candle. This time of the year is so beautiful. Cozy knits and cardigans are out, leaves are changing colors, and the world kind of looks like a beautiful painting. And jumping on crunchy leaves? Well, that's a favorite for all ages, right? You might have heard this quote a lot, but fall is such a good reminder that change can be beautiful, and definitely we should pause and look at all the beauty around us. It's time to pack. Good job. Yeah, start. Okay, I'm actually really excited for the weekend getaway. We are going to see fall foliage in its full glory. We are going to Virginia for 2 nights, and for that, I think each of us will need 3 outfits and maybe a backup. So, my plan is that first I'll decide the outfits, put them in piles, and then I'll pack each individual's clothes in a packing cube. So, वहाँ जाके कोई confusion नहीं होगा and we'll be all set. A small getaway is just what we need right now. After all the Diwali celebrations, It's time to enjoy fall and look at all the beautiful foliage around us. Are you someone who enjoys packing for vacations? Let me know in the comments. I used to hate packing, but now I have slowly started enjoying it. Planning outfits, making mood boards, and deciding where to eat breakfast, lunch, and dinners gets me even more excited for the trip. Lip balm, concealer, moisturizer. These are the few essentials I'm packing for this trip. Putting away all the Diwali decor items with the hope in my heart that I'll see you next year. Ooh, the joy of a warm cup of masala chai in the evenings, especially on cold autumn days, brings me so much joy. I'm loving making chai masala at home these days. While I sit and enjoy my cup of tea, I hope you enjoyed watching today's video, and I'll see you next time. Till then, take care and keep making memories. Bye bye.